Zhongshan Logoson Arts and Crafts Company Limited is located in Zhongshan City. We are an experienced manufacturer engaged in the design, manufacture, sale, and service of metal and plastic gifts, souvenir products, and other promotion articles. Our main products include keychains, magnets, spoons, bottle openers, dinner bells, bag hangers, nail pins, medals, lanyards, and name card holders. Our company has more than 90 skillful workers and covers an area of 2,000 square meters. With all kinds of advanced equipment like CNC carving machine, die casting machine, and punching machines, we can provide one-stop in-house manufacturing service from designing, mold making, polishing, coloring, assembling, packing, and quality control to delivery. We take care of every detail of production for our esteemed buyers. Besides this, we also have a strong group of technicians to research and develop new products according to the need of market as well as quality control. We can make production also with custom logos and designs, so OEM service is welcome. With several years development, our company has been well recognized by many clients from Western countries. We will constantly work hard to be better and better to provide customer with nice products and excellent service. Our company regards quality and service utmost. We hope to cooperate with more customers for mutual business and benefits.